Hi everyone, it's Teresa. I'm back. Happy Friday. I'm back with another video. I wanted to come on and share a little haul with you guys. I wanted to go to Hobby Lobby and see if they had any clearance, but my Hobby Lobby only they had everything on 40% off, so I think once I think maybe next week I'll go and check to see, but I did find a few things. So I found this agenda 52 is $1.24, and I liked it because of all these pretty stickers. Oh, I hate these things. Let me Okay. Oh gosh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I should have known better to do that while I'm on camera. Okay, so this one was the only one that I saw that I wanted because I love the muted tones. Oop. And these are mainly for planners, but I love these. You can definitely use these for junk journaling, planning. I mean, obviously, but oh gosh, look how pretty those florals are. I just thought these were really pretty. Priority chores. I'm going to have to start planning again. But I just love this pad. So for $1.24, okay. Then I was debating if I should get this or not. I've seen a couple people haul this. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I like it for the gingham. We'll see how. I don't think, yeah, it's not really thick cardstock, which is nice because this is definitely a layering paper. Ooh. Trying to get these out. Yeah, I'm very prepared today. Sorry. Okay. Put that in the back so we can see. But I do like the gold foiling on these. There you go. You can see it. It's so. Oh, is that purple? Oh, that is really cool. The blue. There's some pink, and then here's all the other lovely fall colors. Nice. Okay. So, oh, one more thing. I did get this 2-inch paper punch. I do not have a 2-inch. I think mine goes up to maybe a inch and a half, maybe. But I don't have a 2-inch punch, and I want to start making coin twinchies. So, it's a 2x2 square. So I thought the 2-inch circle punch would go perfectly. And it wasn't on sale, but it's not bad price. Okay, so that was Hobby Lobby. I wanted to go to Michael's and look at their Halloween paper. I did not really see anything that I had to have. The vintage one, I think I might want to get, but not until they're on sale. So, but I did find a lot of things on sale. So I found this junk journal kit. Hold on a second. Yeah, the junk journal kit. And it was $25, down to $9. And it comes with the journal, and it comes with washi tape and all kinds of stuff to go in there. And I'll show this on a separate video if you're interested. Let me know. So I got that one, and then I found this travel one. I think. Is it travel? No, but it looks like a travel. It has the junk journal, and it has all these, maps and cameras and stuff like that, and the washi tape to go with it. So it comes with all this in this kit. And I thought it was a great deal for $9. So I got those. I walked. So since I wasn't getting anything for Halloween, I walked down their clearance aisle, and they had their border punches. Like, these are mushrooms for $7. I was like, oh my gosh. And I found this gear one for $7. Normally $13. So half off, maybe. Then I found this screw hole punch for $7. And when you need to make a hole in the middle of a page or something, this is handy to have. So I got that. And then gosh, I don't have any birthday washi tape, and I got this whole roll for $8. And you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 rolls of washi tape. And you do get quite a bit on the rolls. So I was pretty happy with. There was another one, I think a floral one, but I was like, I don't have anything like this, so I bought that. And then I found these two washi for $3. You do get quite a bit on the roll, so that's nice. So that one for $3, and then I got this gingham one. I love those colors, for $3. So that is my haul for today. I wasn't expecting to spend all this money, but I'd be a fool not to. Just thinking, I don't have a gear punch border, and certainly not a mushroom one. So that's going to be fun to play around with, especially on Twinchies, because these look like this perfect size for them. So thanks everyone for watching. Give a thumbs up if you want. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.